you can log into your GoDaddy account. Now, GoDaddy helps small businesses to create their domains, host their websites, emails, and whatnot. So let's just get into it. Go to your web browser, search for GoDaddy, and then just open its website. Or you can directly go to GoDaddy.com. Now, after you've gone to GoDaddy, you can see on the top right corner the sign in button right there. Click on sign in, and then again click on sign in. Now you can only sign in if you have already registered to GoDaddy, and after you have done so, just type in your correct username, type in your correct password that you have used to ask to set up this account, and you can either just keep you signed in, check this box to make it easier to log in again, or you can even use this QR code to connect with GoDaddy on WhatsApp. Now, there are other ways to sign in, that is using your Apple ID, your Facebook ID, or your Google ID. And after you've done so, just tap on sign in, and you'll be signed into your GoDaddy account. So it's that easy, guys. That is all for the video. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more. Bye bye.